Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Well, I did this whole video with the lens cover on. So, yay! I did the whole walkthrough about how everything works. How about you put the key here, you unlock the key with the door pillar. So, that was absolutely pointless. Let me make sure. I got 14 minutes of battery left, or SD card left. So let's do this. We have steering and sport. Obviously this is how you control everything. I'm gonna run through this real quick. We're in defog mode because I'm full hot air. You have dog mode, camp mode, everything like that. But the real fun comes from the toy box. You do this, you have romance mode, Rainbow Road, Santa, Mars, the sketch pad, everything like that. But one of the coolest ones is the light show. So we schedule show. We hit confirm. And now all we have to do is exit the vehicle to start the light show. That's a little loud. Obviously with the Model X, it does a lot more because of the Falcon Wing doors. But it's still pretty cool. You have windows going up and down and everything. And now you have the charging port open, which if you look carefully, that's multicolored. So pretty cool little quirk and feature. And you just go ahead, hop inside because it's 17 degrees and I'm freezing. All right. You also have a boom box, so you can sit here and you can do horn sound. Replace the horn. And do fun stuff. You can even do a megaphone. Yo, pull over. So you can do all kinds of fun stuff with this. But without further ado, let's go for a ride. So this is the dual motor, not the performance. So absolute middle of the road. I did say in my first initial walk around, the frunk has no latch. It's opened via the screen and there's no safety latch to it, which I think is the first one I've ever used that has no safety latch and it wasn't broken. biggest difference you're gonna feel between the performance and this one is below 40 miles an hour. Below 40, the performance is way faster. This, you can kind of feel it slowly build a little bit, but still good and fast. It's fast. It's very, very fast. And because all the weight, the battery, everything is down low, this thing is very, very fun to chuck around. You can go do one of those. And yes, it's top heavy. It is way more top heavy than the Model 3 because it's a Model 3 on stilts. But when you just sit there and go, I just had the rear rotate. Holy cow. Okay, I've never really driven one of these in anger before. And I'm not touching the brake. It all just went to its own stop like that. Wow, okay. Tesla, you're not bad anymore. You let this thing rotate. Come on. Into braking. Wow. And the thing is, with regen braking, these brake pads are gonna last a while. Because in reality, the brake pads are doing all the work in this. And to activate autopilot, gear selector, twice like that. I ironically set it for 69 and I didn't mean to do that. But now it's keeping its lane. It's holding me at 69 miles an hour. It's holding me at 69. I'm a child. And then it just kinda, you just gotta keep your eyes on it. Apply slight turning force. That was more than slight. And then once autopilot gets disabled, it's into cruise control. In terms of passing power, once you're up to speed, it's got plenty. Whoa, this thing is quick. Dive into the brakes, good brakes, and apply power to the apex. Wow. Full regen down. That's impressive. Okay. Tesla, I think you, listen, at the end of the day, I always used to say these drove like appliances. I don't know, I've never really played with one, and now I have, and I'm like, okay, it's a willing dance partner. It kind of will move around, it will do its thing, and I'm like, okay. I'm glad the camera didn't record the first time because I didn't really have the chance to... Oh, and it missed the Mustang that went to the snowbank. Dang it! Oh, that was a great moment. You just kind of go like this, and then... Wow. Wow, 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 wow. You're an impressive car. You're a very impressive car, and honestly a lot of fun. I've had more fun now than I fully expected to. I am impressed. This is definitely an impressive car. Kind of realizing that, yeah, it's snow, car. It's snow. Realizing that this is where we're gonna be going. It's I was upset at first. No, I think I'm gonna be okay with this. I think I'm gonna be okay with this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.